Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? Today's episode we got this cool thing here, and basically what this is a USB and USB-C wall charger. For this product in particular, it's under the Anker Prime series, and for this one in particular, it does provide you guys 67 watts of power max when you guys do use it. So for this one, you can see how it does provide you guys 2 USB-C option and 1 USB option. And also for this charger, it does provide you guys a GaNPrime technology to give you guys a faster charging speed when you guys do use it, and also at the safest speed as well. And because the product has the GaN technology in it, it allows the product to be much smaller than your typical wall charger, which is pretty cool. And then for this product, it does have the Power IQ technology similar to the other GaNPrime technology as well. And also for this product, it does have the Active Shield 2.0, which is pretty much the overheat protection, overcharge protection, and even more advanced technology that's on here to give you guys that protection on here when you guys do use it overnight, which is very nice. But that is everything that's on the product. Let me actually open it up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys do open it, if you guys do take it out, inside right here, they do provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. And they also provide you guys this piece of paper to tell you guys which one provides you guys the most power. So the top USB-C option will provide you guys the most power for your computer when you guys do use it, especially if you guys use it to charge like a MacBook Air or a MacBook Pro. But right here, we see we do have the product. If you guys do take it out, right here we do have the product. So let's do take it out. Once you guys do take it out, here is what the product looks like. So you can see the way how to design this one, like I mentioned, it does provide you guys the 2 USB-C option and 1 USB. And top one, like I mentioned, will provide you guys the most power for you guys to recharge like a laptop if you guys need to. And they even label on here if you guys do look carefully on here. So phone and laptop. And then for the back part right here, they do have the foldable plug that will help you guys save a lot of space when you guys are not using it. And inside right here, we do have the brand name. And they mentioned how it does have the GaNPrime technology. And when you guys do see the material on here, it does have this very nice soft material that feels really smooth. And also the materials on here is anti-fingerprint. So if you guys do leave fingerprint on here, it will disappear. So like I mentioned, for this product, it does provide you guys 67 watts of power when you guys do use it. So if you guys only use one at a time, it will give you guys very close to 67. But if you guys plug in more than one device at the same time, it will spread the charge between those two different devices. So that is pretty much everything that's on the product. What I'm doing right now is to plug it in and test it out to show you guys when it actually works and how it does work. And for this test, we're going to plug it into this brand new charging station that we do have from the Anker brand. This is their newest one that is 140 watts of power when you guys use a USB-C option on here. And what's really cool about this one is the fact that for the new design on here, they do have the display screen to show you guys the power on here. So I do turn it on by pressing on the button on the side. It does show you guys how much power is being generated when you guys do use it. And it does show it in watts and also in voltage as well. And also this option here as well, which is pretty cool. But pretty much for this one, it does give you guys 2 AC option, 2 USB option, and 2 USB-C option, similar to the other one that I showed you guys before, but this is a lot more powerful in terms of what you guys do get. So if you guys are interested, feel free to check it out. This one also provides you guys the GaNPrime technology on here. But now let's plug it in to test it out to show you guys what actually works and how much power it does provide when you guys do use it. So if you guys do plug it in, other side when plugging the cable. So right here I do have the Apple cable. If you guys do plug in the top one, other side when plug it onto a laptop. So right here I do have my MacBook Pro 16-inch laptop. If you guys do plug it in, once you guys do plug it in, it should start charging. So if you guys do look at the power that's on here, right now it's showing 5V. So I don't think for the AC option, it'll probably show you guys the power on here. So what I'm gonna do instead, I'm gonna plug in my own tester to see how much power it does provide when we do use it. So right here I do my tester. If you guys do plug it in, other side will plug it in right here. Once you guys do plug it in, you can see how it does show you guys the power that's on here. So right now it's providing you guys around 63 watts, or to be exact, 62.62. So definitely provide you guys very close to the 67 watts like I mentioned. But because of the protection that's built onto the product, it won't go anywhere close to 67. So I think that's the furthest it can go. So in say for the product, when you guys do use it, it definitely does work, and it does provide you guys a lot of power when you guys do use it. And just to show you guys the difference of using this one versus this one right here, this one's supposed to provide you guys very close to 140. So if I do unplug it, let's try to plug it in here. So once you guys do plug it in here, you can see it does work and show you guys how much power it does provide. So right now it's providing 120 watts and it's still going up and down. And like I mentioned, the cool thing about this one is the fact that it does allow you guys to change the display. So if I do press on it, you can change this display right here to show you guys the watts. Press again, it shows you guys that voltage option. because again, it only shows you guys the watt option here. So in order for you to get the max power on this one and also for this device, your battery percentage has to be pretty low. Pretty much the lower it is, the faster it can charge. But once it reaches like 80% or any higher than that, it does slow down the charge. So keep that in mind. But you can see for both of the product, when you guys do use it, it's actually very powerful. So the product definitely does work when you guys do use it. But that is pretty much everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. If you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality USB-C wall charger. They give you guys 2 USB-C option and 1 USB option, and also give you guys the fast charging speed using the GaNPrime technology on here. That's very small and compact. That I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, that obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.